Okay, looks like everything's running, and alright, hello everybody! What's up, internet? And I think my webcam's working. Let's just check real quick. Oh, I guess I can't check while I'm recording. Oh. Alright. Well. Welcome back! I know it's been a while, like maybe a month, but we are finally back, and today we are going to play a game that was requested a lot. Now, I've played this game before, and it's pretty fun. And one of my subscribers has been really requesting this game. So, let's do it. Bee Swarm Simulator. Yeah. How's that? Beep, 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 dee dee, bum, ba-dum. Oh, I'll see when it's loaded. Okay, here we are. Alright, and we are recording. Where's my hive? Oh, I guess I'll just choose here. Claim hive. Hello, my bees. Missed you guys. Alright. Welcome to Bee Swarm Simulator. Okay. Do I have any quests? Let's see if I can do any quests. Blue mushrooms. The mushroom field. Oh, it's right here. Yeah, this is cool. It's been a while since I've played. Really long time. Look at this. Come on, my bees. Let's go, let's go. Okay. Here. Oh, the ladybug's spawning in 4 minutes. No problem. I'm safe for now. Look at all my bees. Look at all this. Getting so much. My gosh. Wow, I'm getting almost 200 pollen per second. Oh my gosh. Oh, explode. Boom. Look at all this. Look at all this. Oh my gosh, I'm getting 2 of these. Oh yes. Bruh. Yo, look at all this. This is pretty good. It's nice and relaxing. Ooh. Alright, let's do it right here. I don't know what these mean, but I just do it anyway, because whatever. Look at all this. I wonder if I'll have enough honey to buy a new bee. Yeah, I really want a new bee. Be nice. Okay, what kind of currency do I have? Do I have any... Ooh, I've got 1 royal jelly. I want to use that. Alright, let's, everyone make honey. Yeah? Do that, yeah. I've already been recording for 5 minutes. Wow. Now that's cool. Make the honey. I get so much honey. Look at all this. Alright, let's see. What? That's so much. I can't even get, oh my gosh. I can't even get a bee egg. Man, that sucks. How is it that these guys have extra honeycombs? Is that something you can get? I wouldn't know. I'm not even full with all mine. Well, I need to get some honey so I can get some of the money so I can get some of the new bee eggs. Do bees lay eggs? I'm pretty sure they have larvae, but do they lay eggs? Maybe. I don't know. I won't know. How do you get that? Huh. Look at this, yeah. Look at all this. How long have I been recording? 7 minutes, alright. Is my camera working? I don't know. It's not letting me check. If it's not, I'm terribly sorry. You know, pretty soon I'm probably going to do a theory video. Yeah. If you want to see a theory video, then, well, I'm doing it anyway. You don't have to subscribe for a theory video, but do subscribe if you want more videos like this. Although, I feel like this video's not going many places, so this game's pretty fun. It's alright. Not too bad. Look at this. Look at all this. Look at all the money I'm getting. Oh my gosh, I'm stacked in this game. I'm just completely stacked. Look at my backpack is a jetpack. Meow, 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 meow. Do I have any tickets? No, but I've got a ton of treats. Oh my gosh. Sunflower seeds, strawberries. I got so much stuff. Yeah. Hey, is that Garrick's? Huh. Hey, buddy, what's up? Hey, I see my brother. Hey, is that Garrick's or Nixon? I don't know. That's Gary's account, but Nixon sometimes plays on it, so. Honeystorm, yes! Alright, how much more time do I have on the video? Oh, I'm done. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Man, it's so laggy. Honeystorm's laggy. Well, hope you enjoyed. If there's no face cam on this video, I'm very sorry. Bye!